Welcome to Amenify OS, the groundbreaking platform transforming the lifestyle service industry from the ground up. Amenify OS is an integrated, cloud-based solution engineered for efficiency and scalability. It serves as the digital backbone for service providers and property managers within residential communities. With advanced scheduling tools and AI-driven dispatch, providers manage appointments effortlessly. Our machine learning algorithms optimize routes in real time, cutting transit times and operational costs. Stay ahead with dynamic pricing models that adapt to market demand. Integrated, secure payment gateways ensure seamless transactions, enhancing both provider and resident experiences. Enterprise-level compliance is built into our core. Amenify OS streamlines onboarding with rigorous verification, and its open API ensures seamless integration with existing property management systems. Amenify OS is more than a platform. It's the future of lifestyle service management. Innovate, integrate, and elevate your operations with Amenify. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.